at 16%. Private sector has done well in life insurance. It has moved from 0 to 35% share in about close to about 10 years, which is again a very good sign. The overall life insurance market has grown a very large number. Of course, ULIP, which Mr. Venugopal just mentioned about, dominates more than 75% of the entire market. Now coming to the slide, this is just a slide, meaning most of us would have seen this umpteen number of times. I'll take you very fast on this. You'll see in the slide that along with the movement in the shareholding of each player, the LIC and the private, the market has moved normally. So it has not been a case that there has been a cannibalization between the private sector taking over share from LIC at the overall basis. It has been an overall growth, which is a really good positive sign. ULIP, again, it can be seen that it has, the entire trend shows that ULIP has taken over the market by phenomenally in overall terms. It's almost life insurance, as Mr. Venugopal mentioned, that more than 80% shareholding meaning of the market is with ULIP right now. Growth story, general insurance. General insurance market has also grown by 40%. Of course, it's not at the same pace as life insurance. I will take this point as to just to see how we can mark why the growth of general insurance has not been as much as life insurance. Private sector is at a 35% market share, but has not been similar to a life insurance sector. It has eaten out most of its share from the public sector because the growth has not been as high as life. This is a very important point. Motor insurance, which is the largest portfolio or largest business of general insurance, private sector has taken over 50% shareholding in the entire market share of motor insurance. Post re-tariffing, as people from the general industry would be knowing, general insurance industry, there has been a very big fall in the premium for fire insurance and property insurance after the re-tariffing has happened in the industry. In a lot of cases, there have been 70% to 80% drop in the premium from vis-a-vis the last year. At the same time, the saving grace has been health insurance. Health insurance has grown really well in the last 2 to 3 years, primarily because the cost of healthcare has been increasing and there has been a better awareness of the health insurance in the market overall. So, a 55% growth in health insurance is really welcome. Advent of health insurance companies. This is a very important point because this would get a huge amount of innovation in the health insurance industry because it is a specialized player in the insurance industry. So it's going to be a good welcome for the general insurance industry. Yeah, this is basically the slide which talks about how the general insurance has grown. As you can see, there has been an okay average growth shown by general insurance industry if we compare, of course, with the other industries. At the same time, there is a cannibalization that has happened. At the same time, this is something which I would like to bring in here, is that new players have brought in a multiple awareness through a lot of media, through a lot of different planning and different kind of tools that they have brought into the market, getting a need. This has benefited LIC also, from my perspective, being the most trusted brand in India, not one of the most trusted. It has been voted the most trusted brand. So I feel this I wanted to bring in a point because this was a question which comes to my mind a lot of times, that still why it has been able to capture such a good market share. Why ULIP is doing better than traditional? This is a point which again is a very important point I would like to bring here. There has been a clamp since the private sector has come into